How to find out square root of 6,096,096 by long division method? You need to first make pair from right hand side to left hand side. So this is your first pair, this is your second pair, and this is your third pair. In third pair you have just only one digit. You can consider here another 0 to make it a pair, but we don't need this 0 actually don't have any value. Now you have to take here a number whose square is equal to 6 or very nearest to 6. So if you take here look 3, then 3 square will be 9, which is greater than 6. So 2, if you take here 2 square equal to 4. Okay, so same digit will come to the quotient side also. 2 times 2 4. If we subtract, we are getting 2. Bring down this pair. That since we have taken here 2, same digit will come to the under the divisor also. 2 plus 2, that gives us 4. Now for this dividend we have to take here a number and we need to multiply. Look, if you take here, we have 296. Okay, take here 6 and check. 6 times 6, 36. Bring down 6. Carry 3 to the next column. Then look here. 6 times 4, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Okay, 27. That's 276. And let me subtract 6 minus 6 0, 7 9, that is 2. 20 is less than 46, so our subtraction is correct. So our guessing digit 6 is correct, right? Since you have placed here 6 in the quotient side, same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. 6 plus 6, 12. Right, to carry on to the next column, 5. Here bring down the next pair. 2096. Now place here a digit, okay, and if you multiply, and the product should be equal to this or nearest to this. So let me check. 52 times this. If you take here 4, then what will happen? 4 times 4, 16. Write 6, carry 1 to the next column. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1 9. 4 times 5, 20. 2096. That is if we take here if we take here 4, okay, and if we multiply 4 times 524, we'll get 2096, which is equal, right? So our guessing number 4 here is correct. So 4 times 524, that gives us 2096. If we subtract, we will get 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 264. Since we have placed here the digit 4, so same digit you need to write under this divisor and need to add. 4 plus 4, 8, then 2, 5. The double of 264 is 528. So our answer 264 is correct. So the square root of 6,096,096 by long division method is 264.